Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Eiler for your next installment of A Word a Day. Okay, so I gave you 2 words last week that described a place or a setting. If you remember those words, I'm going to flash you the picture and see if you can tell me the word. Who remembers what this setting is? All crowded and full of people and things. Lively. That's right, it's bustling. This is a bustling street. Lots of people, very crowded, probably a city, okay? And then our next picture was almost the opposite. Hardly anybody around, kind of far off island. And this is a very remote setting. Remote, okay? Almost the opposite of bustling. Which would you prefer? A bustling city or a remote island? Today I'm kind of in the mood for a remote island. Tomorrow maybe a bustling city, we'll see. Okay, so what you need today is what you always need, a piece of paper divided up into quarters. Press pause if you need to. Word, what it is not, sentence, and the meaning. Go ahead and press pause to copy that. Okay, and our new word today, hold on a minute. Sorry. Oh, I've lost my, oh well. Okay, our new word today is coastal. Okay, so think about where you've heard that word before, coastal. If you take off the ending, it says coast. If you live in California, you may have heard this word a lot. So think about where you've heard this word, when you've heard this word. I say to my kids a lot, hey guys, let's drive out to the coast today. Okay, here is a picture, or go ahead and write that word. Press pause if you need to. Okay, and what this word means is on the coast or next to the ocean. Okay, if you're in a coastal setting, let me show you the picture. You're going to be somewhere where you can see the ocean, smell the ocean, jump in the ocean. So you can go down a coastal road. How many of you have driven on the coastal road near Point Reyes or Stinson Beach? If you go through Mill Valley, it's one of the most beautiful coastal roads up there on the cliff. You can see the ocean for miles. Okay. There can be coastal villages, small towns that are near the ocean. Another word that means coastal is seaside. So if you live in a seaside town or a coastal town, you're right there on the ocean. Okay. All right, so this is the picture. If you want to pause and try to copy it, it's a good one. Or I'll show you mine. Mine's a little more simple. Here's my coastal picture. There's the ocean with a palm tree. So go ahead and pause and make your own picture. Okay. And then I have what it is not. And I just drew a boring old intersection of streets with no water around. So this is definitely not a coastal setting. Okay. Go ahead and press pause until you finish a picture of what it is not. Okay, and then my sentence is, I hope that someday I can live in a coastal town where I can swim in the ocean every day. That would sort of be a dream, to live in a coast of mine, maybe not yours, but to live in a place right next to the ocean, a coastal setting, a coastal village where I could leisurely jump into the ocean every morning. Okay, so go ahead, press pause, and write your own sentence. Okay, and last we have the meaning of the word. The meaning of this word is on the coast or beside the ocean. On the coast or beside the ocean. So go ahead and press pause and you can copy that definition or that meaning. Okay, good job, guys. All right, so to review, we've got 3 words that describe a setting or a place. We've got bustling, which means what? We've got remote, which means what? And we've got our new word for today, which is coastal. Okay, I know in this time we're not able to go anywhere, and so we're all a little bored, but at least you can dream of some of these places, either a bustling place or a coastal place or a remote place to go to in your thoughts. Okay? All right, I will see you again tomorrow for our word of the day. Thank you.